Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to delete strip on Wix website. Deleting a strip on Wix website is pretty easy process. Here's how to do it. First of all, go to your Wix site editor and search for the strip that you want to delete. So here's, as you can see, I've added a strip. Now I'll delete this strip. To delete any strip, first of all, click the strip to select and then right click on strip and here just click on delete, or you can simply press delete button on your keyboard after selecting the specific strip. And then, as you can see, the strip has been successfully deleted. So that's how you will be able to easily delete any strip on your Wix website. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.